After 2 years of research at Oxford University into the properties and uses of aloe, Dr. Peter Atherton is one of the world's acknowledged experts.
The areas in which it works, I believe, are fundamentally only two. One is what we call epithelial tissue, anatomically, which for most people, it's best to think of it as surfaces and membranes. So your biggest epithelium is your skin. But of course, as the skin goes into the mouth, it changes and becomes a mucous membrane, which lines the sinuses, the back of your nose, the throat, then goes down the gullet, lines the stomach and the small bowel, the large bowel, comes out and becomes skin again. It lines the genital tract and it lines the lungs, the bronchi. So if you could think of aloe vera working wherever there is damage to surfaces and membranes. And the second area, due to this long chain polysaccharide sugar, which was in that slimy bit in the leaf, is it works on the immune system as what we call an immunomodulator, which means it's a balancer. In some circumstances it seems to enhance the immune response, but in other circumstances where the immune response is already too much, it will slow it down.
One of the fantastic things about aloe vera, because we have it in, like, we take it in a liquid form as in our drinks, it's 100% bioavailable to the body, which means that when we're actually taking the drink in, the drink is immediately recognised by the body as being a friendly item, meaning it isn't synthetic. Anything that's synthetic, the body actually sees as an enemy, and you take a lot of nutrients to actually break down something that's synthetic. Whereas with something that's bioavailable, like our aloe vera drinking gels, it's totally absorbed into the system. When the gel goes into the system, it has a cleansing action on the digestive tract. It helps us to have a better absorption of nutrients, because if we have a cleaner digestive tract, then the nutrients can be absorbed through the walls of the intestine, helping your food, which hopefully you're taking as healthy food as possible, to also be absorbed into the system.
I recommend it to everybody, because everybody that, or virtually everybody that I know that takes aloe vera gel finds it does something for them.